We've been planting lots of ferns in our garden, and I'm trying to get lots of different varieties. This one is the Asian saber fern. It's quite pretty. It has really glossy leaves. And we have the deer fern. There's this one. It didn't do so well this winter. A lot of snow fell, so it kind of crushed it. And we had a rabbit in our yard, which loved eating some of these ferns. I have the autumn fern, and here's my tag, but that's all that's left right now. It's so tiny because the rabbit munched it down, bit all the tips off them. And yeah, this is kind of our shade garden, so we're trying to get a lot of different ferns put in the ground that would be like nice evergreen. And that's the hard shield fern. Nice leaves. Yeah, I love ferns. So some of them are doing really well. They're getting really big. And again, the rabbit, he munched all those off. But it's getting nice and big. We have actually the Tasmanian tree fern is out back on the porch. It's massive. Joe's had that one for quite a while. Some more. Yeah, so it's a ferny place. It's getting to be. There's the tassel fern, and it's been munched down by the rabbit. So these should all grow back. This is our ostrich fern, so it does drop its leaves, so it'll be sprouting new leaves. And what else do we have? Yeah, this is a really pretty one. Gosh, I forget what it was called. Is it a holly fern? Maybe it's a holly fern. I love the leaves on that one. So I just bought a couple of those. I'm pretty sure that's the holly fern. Yeah. And yeah, so some of them are getting really big. I just hope we don't get another rabbit in here. These are actually little baby tree ferns. So they will hopefully get big one day, and they are kind of under a arbor, and it's quite protected in here, so they should do well. And over along this pathway, I put in this one. Is a, which one is that one? The Alaskan fern. Yeah, it's hard to tell what the, look, it's quite lacy too. Small fronds. Yeah, and the tassel fern. Love those. They're all glossy. They always do well. Get these branches out of here. And this one here is the autumn fern. Doesn't have too much rust in it right now, but it does get some. And what else do we have? Oh, rabbit ate that one too. Another autumn fern. So lots of ferns for the shade garden, and lots of mulch.